Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting sneak peek unboxing for you. This is another sneak peek from Oraloa. This kit is going to be available on Monday, October 23rd. I'm not sure exactly what the price will be. They don't list those until they actually list the kits, but I'm excited for this one, so let me show you what it is. It is called Coral Canyon, and it is this very cute underwater sea scene with a sea turtle, some fish, some coral. It's a square kit, and I think it's roughly 50 by 70 is what the box says. So let me get it out of the box, and then we'll take a look. This one looks kind of large, so let's see. 50 by 70 isn't huge, but probably bigger than I'm going to be able to show you. Oh, it's a portrait, or it's a landscape one, so maybe I will be able to show you everything. All right, let me get it unrolled here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what do we get? We get our goodie bag, our toolkit, we get some instructions, we get our stickers, and then we get all of our drills. Look at that. I already see some ABs. Look at those gorgeous colors. All right, let's look in our toolkit and see what we get in our toolkit. So we get a little thank you card, we get a sticker, we get a little plastic tiki guy, we get another sticker, we get a tray, a scrunchie, we get some nice and sharp pokey tweezers, we get a diamond painting pen with a 3-placer and then an extra 9-placer included. We get our blue wax, and we get their Oraloa branded, oh look, there's a little manta ray, washi tape. So that's what comes in the toolkit. And here we have our stickers. So it is 70 by 52.6 or 27.5 by 20.7 inches. And you can see here we've got our sticker that we can use for our logbook, the sea turtle, all these really colorful, gorgeous fish. And then of course we have all of our stickers, pre-cut stickers here for all of the colors. We've got 59 colors, and we have 7 ABs in this kit. So we've got a white AB, and then we've got all these other colors. So we'll look at those when we get into it. Again, these are pre-cut. These do fit pretty well on the bottle cases. I normally cut the colors off when I'm kitting up, but you can do what you want. I can't wait to see what this kit is going to look like. There is the sea turtle. You can see all the very colorful fish and the coral reef and everything. Lots of confetti in this one, I'm going to guess. So let me go grab the canvas and we'll take a look at that. All right, not quite sure. I think you can see most of it, so we'll call that good. I actually didn't realize how big the sea turtle would be. Look at this guy. He's huge. We've got these very pretty pink and yellow corals. There's another one down here, some more pink. I'm sure there's a name for the different kind of corals, but then we've got all these very pretty striped fish. Lots of multi-placing, as I suspected. We've got the big fish here, and then the giant sea turtle with all of the green. There is some nice multi-placing, it looks like, at a couple of spots. We're kind of where in the background where you're looking at that blue water. But yeah, just kind of looking over this one, if you're not a fan of multi-placing, it's probably not the one for you. We do get a schematic on both sides. Again, 59 colors. And we've got down in this section here on the bottom left or the bottom right, we've got all of their socials. On the bottom left, we've got all the information on the thumbnail. Carolyn Steele is the artist, Coral Canyon, and then the size of our drill field here. So let's measure our drill field because it says 70 by 52.6. So let's see if that's what I get. Going across here, yes, I do get 70, maybe 1 millimeter over. And going this way, they said 52.6. I get a little less than that, about 52.5, but pretty spot on compared to some other companies. So definitely that size. And again, one of the things that I love about Oraloa is their very nice and thick cover sheet. I know it's hard to tell on film, but it's actually way thicker than a lot of the cover sheets you get. It is nice and sticky where you need it to be. I'm excited. I wonder if these are gonna, ooh, all of the little deviations here in his little flipper, those white symbols are white ABs, so that's going to be fun. I can't wait to get in the drills and see what all of the ABs are going to be like. So I will take some B-roll so that you can kind of see the canvas up close, but it looks like there's going to be some really pretty colorful, and with, what did I say, 7 ABs, and I might go crazy and even add a few more in. We'll see. Yeah, let's go look at our drills. All right, I have set the ABs aside so we can look at those last. So let's just look at all of these other ones. Already in baggies, so those of you who love to work in baggies are all set. Gosh, lots of colors, 59 colors, so let's get through them. All right, here's a very kind of dark gray, a butterscotch, a mulberry dark purple, a brick red, a brown, kind of a mustardy pale yellow, kind of a khaki green, a larger bag of the blue. I'm going to assume that's part of the background color. And then we've got like a dark navy blue and a bright blue. Then we've got a turquoise, kind of a periwinkle blue, a blue, and another kind of royal blue. We've got lots of blues in this. Another dark blue, kind of a dark sienna, a kind of lime green, a dark green, a light yellow, a very light tan. We've got a very pale sage green with a little pink stowaway in there. We've got a green, a pale green. We've got another blue. We do have some black in this kit, but just one bag. That's not a ton. We've got a dark purple, a dark gray, a green, kind of a hunter green, a gray. Ooh, some kind of dusky pink. We've got a big bag of like light turquoise, a purple, kind of watermelon color, another lime green, a very dark like hunter green, a brick red, a mauve, a butterscotch, a blue. Then we've got a light green, a pale yellow, a dark brown, kind of an olive green, another brown, a light blue, a dusky pink, a chocolate brown, dark chocolate brown. We've got a green and then a slightly darker green. We've got kind of a cornflower blue, and then we've got a dark turquoise. So those are all just the regular colors. I'm gonna put those away, and then we're gonna look at ABs. Again, they come in baggies, so for those of you who like to work in baggies, you can just line them up and start. All right, I'm going to put these away and look at the ABs. All right, so we've got our ABs here. Let's look and see where they go. So we've got just some white ABs, and like I said, they're going to section off the little turtle flipper here. There's some in his eyes, some in the various fishes. So there's that one. Then we've got this very dark purple, reddish purple AB, and this one is going to go as expected in these kind of red coral. So there's that one. We've got another kind of like pink mulberry, purplish AB that is also going to go in all of the kind of pink coral. We've got, ooh, like a rosy pink, dusky pink AB, and that one is also going to go in the coral. So the coral should be nice and bright and sparkly. Then we've got another slightly darker kind of dusky pink, rose pink, and this one Also going to go in the coral. I'm trying to see if it's going to go in the fish anywhere. The previous AB, there's some right there on the fish lips, some of the darker ABs down at the bottom, a couple of spots on the fish, but pretty much just in the coral. And then this kind of dark red AB, again, in the two spots of pink coral, this big fan coral here, and then the more kind of branching one over here. And then we've got this very pretty kind of yellowy orange AB. And this one is going to go on kind of the yellow coral and be highlights, but then also highlights over all of these very pretty fish. Almost all of them have some sort of AB in them somewhere as well. So everything will be nice and sparkly. Yeah, I can't wait to see how the ABs look, because this is supposed to be an underwater scene, and see what they're all gonna look like. Super excited for this one. I've done an undersea one before, but it was the square drills that I was not really thrilled with. It was a long, long time ago. It was 2 years ago, I think. It was a Treasure Studios art underwater scene, and while I really liked the artwork, the drills were not fantastic. So really excited to see how Oraloa does with this. The last two kits of theirs that I've done, the Halloween and the fairy one by Bayonette that I did, love the drills. Everything turned out really well. So yeah, excited to get started on this one and see how things go. Hey guys, I wanted to show you what the canvas looked like with some drills on it. I'm trying to fit this in between other projects, and as you can see, I haven't gotten terribly far with it, but I have finished one complete row and started on the second one. I am actually trying the washi tape sectioning method again, thanks to Jess with her seam ripper tip, and it's working wonderfully. So we'll see if I stick with it. I still like my pretty release papers, but I do like that you can see the rest of the canvas here. So you can see I've got started on the turtle flipper on this side, a little teeny bit of his nose here, but then all of this very pretty coral, and look at the shine on that. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can see the drills. So here's the bottom of it. You can see where some of that coral is and some of that kind of tubular coral, but look at the shine when I move the canvas and up towards some more coral. I'm trying to get up towards the top, because up towards the top is where a lot of the ABs are. I had a few down on the bottom section, but up here you can see all of the pink and kind of purplish ABs, and then once you get into this piece of coral up here, this really big one, it is a ton of orange ABs. Look how they sparkle and shine. And I gotta say, you guys, I'm so happy with these square drills. There are some companies that I think do round drills really well. There are companies that do square drills really well, and there are companies that do both really well. I have only done square drills from Oraloa, weirdly enough. I love their square drills. I think they are excellent quality. They fit together so nicely. The size fits the square on the canvas as it's intended to, and I just think they look really good. And when they fit nicely, it's easy to keep them pretty straight. I mean, I think this is some of the straightest drilling I've done in quite some time. I've still got a few waves here and there, but for the most part, I think it's turning out so well, and I'm really loving all the ABs. So I can't wait to see how the rest of it turns out. I don't know quite how long it's going to take me to finish this one. It is quite large, so I want to get all of my other projects finished first, but I wanted to show you guys this one. It's so pretty. The drills are amazing. The symbols are nice and clear, and I'm just having a ton of fun. So there's a little sneak peek of what it looks like with the drills on the canvas. Back to the rest of the video. Before I end the video, guys, just want to remind you that I will be sticking a link down below to the Oraloa website. This won't be listed yet. You're seeing this video on a Saturday, and the kit won't come out until the next Monday on the 23rd. But go ahead and visit their website. Just click on new arrivals and you'll be able to see all of their new kits. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.